Very often we see patients in our practice come with various experiences or things they found on their own, and we want to make sure we can reinstill some of their opinions or some of the information they've received, or maybe provide them another perspective on solutions that are available for their care. The biggest motivating factor for me when I'm looking to help patients with their care is the impact I know that this will have in their life. That type of satisfaction that myself and my team experiences is priceless. To see the impacts that we can have in people's lives on how they interact with their family, their friends, their grandchildren is incredible. To see patients smile again for the first time, to enjoy foods that they have not eaten in several decades is so powerful. I know that our impact in these people's lives will allow them to enjoy and live their life to the fullest. Traditional dentures pose several problems to patients. One of the key things is tasting and enjoying food. Some of the other challenges patients face is that they have to use adhesives. Adhesives are gluey or sticky, are messy, and it really becomes a nuisance to take them in and out. All-in-4 dental implant solutions are a great choice for a patient because of several factors. One of the main reasons why it's beneficial is that it's graftless. It's a one-day solution in most patients' cases, and it provides patients with fixed teeth rather than something they have to wear that's removable in their mouth. When a patient comes to our practice, each patient gets a thorough, customized solution. Every patient gets detailed facial records and information taken that we use in a digital mock-up and a digital profile before we consider any type of implant solution. At the Glen Dental, we take a lot of time to customize a treatment plan for every patient that comes through the door. Every patient has different challenges, and we always trying to find a customized solution for them. We don't take a generic approach to remove bone to provide a solution that has teeth and gums built into it. Every case we analyze very thoroughly to what's going to provide the most natural and lifelike smile for each patient. There are several tips that we can provide our patients to help them maintain these results for a long period of time. Regular maintenance, seeing the hygienist, using a water pick, using floss are all very important factors in the maintenance of these implants. Our team takes a lot of pride in developing a customized and personalized approach to each patient's care. Not only will you meet with our treatment coordinator, but your doctor will meet with you and discuss all the solutions that are possible. We ask very specific questions. We just take a lot of digital information, and we want to make sure that that care is right for you. Every patient has unique needs and unique characteristics, so we can provide them a very lifelike and natural looking smile.